What's coming up here next? We already need to close this. It's coming. It's almost here. It doesn't focus on the camera, but focus better in person. It's gonna be a lot of refocusing now. We're going in. Excuse me. I'll press the bottom floor. Just do this side. Look at this. I'm looking at this only. Doesn't seem better days. Do my cab right now. Add before. Seems like they took the stairs and pushed both buttons. Seems like they pushed both buttons. Come on in.
So 3.
That's the bottom floor. That's where you start. We're going up to the top.
Yeah. I just need to know where to get off.
Just you have to remember.
Yeah, P3, which is P5.
No, there's no P5 here.
Which floor is that you came from? B4?
P3.
Ah, okay.
It says 5 there, but the
It's
levels are
Just to remember when we got
Entrance.
the lowest one.
Parking level A. Oh, sorry.
Sorry.
Sorry, guys.
Sorry.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
I'm gonna stay and go back. Very basic elevator RUI.
So they need to go one level down. That's a P2, right?
P2.
Okay. So you go to P2.
Okay,
Yeah.
Other side. The door's other side.
Going to open this door?
Yes. Yes. In front of you when you came on. This side. The rear door. Go. That's the door. Seems like they don't know where to park the cars. I'm dropping my water bottle on the floor. This, really? They need to close this section?
Why did you say P5 here? Just keep trunk.
That's entrance, maybe. Entrance 4. We're going to the top.
No, it's what are we on P? We're P3. Oh, okay. It said
But
P5.
here they use letters. If you go outside, they use letters, but they don't use numbers. They use parking A, B, C. That's what they use now.
So P3 we get one? No, P3. Yeah.
Take one more, and I'm gonna go up the escalator. Please tell me if this one's gonna be modernized, or they're gonna keep it original. Because they're doing renovation, I don't know. Going up? I'm gonna compete through this time. Capacity 3,500 pounds. I'm gonna switch one. I'm gonna get off here and ride the escalator. That's it for the oh, I don't want to see the face on it. Let's go back up at the escalator and get out of here. We really need to go to the section. Try to go one more. All the windows are closed. Let me go back up. Let's go outside. Check very quickly. Then we'll be off. We'll be gone. How did I cover the window? Look, skyscrapers. Finish.